Hi buddies, welcome back. Today I want to show you how you can insert an SD card, a SIM card to your Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G to make phone calls and SMS and stuff like that. So first things first, we need to get our SIM card, and now we need to look for a SIM card slot. And on this phone it's down here, and we now need a simple paper clip or a SIM card ejector to take that out. Just press in a hole and then it pops out a bit, so you can take that out. And now you have your SIM card tray here, and you need to insert your SIM card. You have a space for 2, and now we'll put the whole thing back in the phone. And now we first need to unlock our SIM card, and then we're back in the phone, and you can see we have signal now. And if we go to our settings and go to SIM cards and mobile networks, we have our Kongstar one here. That's our provider, and we can now go ahead and make phone calls and SMS and stuff. So that's how you can insert a SIM card to your Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.